This is a step-by-step demo of how to sign up with CoinZoom Exchange. You will first begin with entering your preferred email address and password. Be aware that the email you sign up with is permanently secured in the system, so neither parties can go back in and change it once your account is officially set up. Once completed, you will receive a verification link through your email. If it doesn't show in your primary email inbox, please check your junk or spam folder. You can also resend the verification link additional times if there was an error. When you have received the email, click on Verify to continue. Log in with your credentials and you will be sent a one-time password you can copy and paste in the provided address bar. Please check your junk or spam folder if you don't see the one-time password email. There is an option to resend the one-time password code as well. Fill out the general information with your name, date of birth, and gender. Next, you will put in your address. Your address should match the address associated with your debit card for funding purposes. You will be prompted to add your phone number and employment info. Last, you have the option to customize your Zoom handle. This is the only time available to make this change. Your Zoom handle will be permanent from this point on. Once this is completed, you will move on to a separate registration KYC process, of which you can find details on that in another video.